Speaking Spanish can unlock a world of economic opportunities. With over 500 million speakers globally, knowing the language opens doors to careers in international business, tourism, customer service, and more. Companies are always on the lookout for bilingual employees, and Spanish speakers are in high demand. Whether you're looking to expand your business or advance your career, speaking Spanish makes you more marketable, increases your earning potential, and sets you apart in a competitive global market. The best part? Learning Spanish has never been easier. With audio lessons, you can learn on the go, anywhere, and anytime. Audio learning makes it simple to practice pronunciation and conversational skills in real-life situations. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or relaxing at home, mastering Spanish through audio lessons is efficient and flexible. It's a smart investment in your future, and the rewards are endless.